Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Are you ready to take your projects to the next level? Well, you're in luck because today we have something special in store for you. Get ready to explore the 10 new cool RYOBI tools that will revolutionize the way you tackle your next project. Introducing the revolutionary RYOBI USB Lithium Power Carver Kit, the industry's first cordless power carver. With a 1mm stroke length and 14,000 SPM, it offers precise and controlled carving for all your woodworking needs. Ideal for wood carving and furniture restoration, this kit includes 3 accessories: straight chisel, U-gouge, and 90-degree V-gouge. From intricate details to clearing large amounts of wood, this cordless tool empowers your creativity. Experience the freedom and versatility of the RYOBI USB Lithium Power Carver Kit and take your woodworking projects to new heights. Introducing the RYOBI pole saw, equipped with a robust 6-amp motor and a telescopic fiberglass shaft that extends up to 9 feet. This powerful tool ensures effortless trimming and pruning at great heights. With a built-in automatic oiler, your saw stays lubricated, ensuring smooth operation and longevity. The cutting head of the pole saw is intelligently angled, providing enhanced cut control and precision. Whether you need to trim branches or shape your trees, the RYOBI pole saw is your go-to companion for efficient and convenient yard maintenance. Experience the ultimate combination of gas performance and cordless convenience with the 40-volt 12-inch HP cordless top-handle chainsaw from RYOBI. With a simple trigger pull, the 40-volt HP technology and brushless motor provide 4 times faster cutting, longer runtime, and increased motor life. The unique top-handle design ensures superior user control, making your tasks easier and safer. Enjoy a 10-inch cut capacity, adjustable automatic oiler for continuous chain lubrication, and side-access chain tensioning for effortless adjustments. The chainsaw also offers onboard tool storage and comes with a heavy-duty deluxe carrying case for easy transportation. Compatible with all RYOBI 40-volt lithium-ion batteries, this chainsaw is a versatile addition to your toolkit. Experience the convenience of effortless branch pruning with the RYOBI 18-volt 1+ cordless one-handed pruning reciprocating saw. Designed ergonomically, this saw provides comfort and ease of use with just a single hand. The branch hook securely holds the saw in place, offering control and minimizing vibrations during pruning. Keep your outdoor space tidy by effortlessly pruning small limbs up to 3-inch. The saw's innovative design includes a quick-release blade lever for swift blade changes. Equipped with a 2.0 amp-hour battery and charger, this pruning reciprocating saw is part of the versatile 18-volt 1+ system, providing you with a range of compatible tools for your projects. Introducing the RYOBI Magnifying LED clamp light, a must-have tool for enhanced vision on any project. With 500 lumens of LED light output and a 3.5-inch wide magnification lens, this clamp light ensures optimal visibility. Perfect for technicians, inspectors, collectors, hobbyists, crafters, and readers, it securely clamps onto rounded and flat surfaces up to 1 3/4 inch. The high-quality acrylic lens provides distortion-free 2.25 times magnification with a 5 times spot magnification for closer inspections. With a 16-inch flexible neck and rotating base, you can easily customize its placement. Choose between 2 brightness settings, 250 or 500 lumens, to suit your task. The RYOBI Magnifying LED clamp light offers over 20 hours of runtime, making it ideal for all-day productivity. Introducing the RYOBI 18-volt 1+ HP brushless 8 1/4-inch table saw, the ultimate cordless cutting solution. Powered by 1+ HP technology, this table saw combines a powerful brushless motor, advanced electronics, and high-performance lithium-ion batteries for corded cutting performance. With up to 4,500 RPM, it delivers controlled and accurate cuts. The 12-inch rip cut capacity and the ability to rip up to 240 linear feet per charge, using the included 4 amp-hour high-performance batteries, ensure efficiency and productivity. It features an adjustable self-aligning material fence, rack and pinion blade height adjustment, and a durable steel frame. With integrated onboard storage for accessories, this table saw is a versatile addition to your toolkit. Effortlessly tend to your small gardens and flower beds using the RYOBI 18-volt cordless compact cultivator. This convenient tool offers 3 speed settings, 176 RPM, 204 RPM, and 233 RPM, through its user-friendly speed dial, allowing you to select the perfect speed for your cultivation needs. With the attached front handle, you have enhanced control and maneuverability while working. The cultivator features a guard that protects you from flying debris, ensuring a safe gardening experience. Additionally, the metal tines are removable, making it easy to clean and maintain the tool. Experience the convenience and versatility of the RYOBI 18-volt cordless compact cultivator and cultivate your gardens with ease. Experience effortless pruning of trees and larger plants with the RYOBI 18-volt 1+ cordless 0.85mm bypass lopper. Say goodbye to backbreaking toil and the need for 2 hands to cut. Save energy, time, and stress as the powerful 18-volt motor effortlessly cuts stems up to a massive 32 mm (1.3 inch) with a simple squeeze of the trigger. The loppers' hardened bypass blades provide 250 Nm of torque, making it a breeze to slice through branches. Reach high branches, inaccessible areas at the back of beds or borders, and other hard-to-reach spots with ease, using just one hand to cut. Additional features include soft grip handles for comfort during extended use and a branch hook to bring out-of-reach branches within your reach. Make pruning a breeze with the RYOBI 18-volt 1 Plus cordless 0.85mm bypass lopper. Introducing the RYOBI Hobby Station, designed to provide maximum control and precision for your projects. With a reversible base plate and routing fence capability, you can achieve enhanced precision with your rotary tool. The Hobby Station is compatible with most vacuum hoses, promoting a cleaner workspace by effectively managing dust through integrated debris channels. Stay organized with the onboard accessory compartments, keeping your tools within reach. The drill press functionality offers a 2-inch depth for precise drilling, simplifying your hobby and craft projects. With a 3-year manufacturer's warranty, the Hobby Station includes a router fence, 1 7/8-inch vacuum adapter, and an operator's manual. Experience enhanced control and precision with the RYOBI Hobby Station for all your crafting needs. Introducing the 1 Plus powered brush hand vacuum, delivering powerful performance and cordless convenience. This handheld vacuum comes with a mini motorized beater bar, agitating debris for a thorough clean. Clean stairs, upholstery, car seats, and more with confidence. The pivoting head ensures close contact with surfaces, enabling cleaning at different angles. Maintenance is a breeze with the removable roller bar, easily taken out with a coin or slotted screwdriver. The beater bar's scissor groove allows hassle-free hair removal. LED lights provide increased visibility, while the included crevice tool reaches tight spots and the dust brush handles delicate surfaces. The HEPA media filter should be replaced every 3 to 6 months for optimal performance. Experience the convenience of the 1 Plus powered brush hand vacuum for all your cleaning needs. Introducing the RYOBI USB Lithium Compact LED Flashlight Kit. This compact flashlight delivers up to 600 lumens of bright, vivid light with 3 selectable light modes. Its durable design ensures long-lasting performance while remaining conveniently compact. With an impressive 18 hours of runtime, it's the perfect companion for dark enclosed workspaces, nighttime recreation activities, or emergency situations. Rated IP54 for water and dust resistance, this flashlight can withstand challenging conditions. The USB Lithium Compact LED Flashlight Kit is part of the USB Lithium system, offering portable and rechargeable solutions for cordless power and enhanced productivity. Illuminate your surroundings with confidence using the RYOBI USB Lithium Compact LED Flashlight Kit. Introducing the RYOBI 18-volt 1 Plus HP Compact Brushless 5/8-inch SDS Plus Rotary Hammer. This compact tool is the lightest and smallest in its class, without compromising on power. Measuring just 11.4 inch in length, it's 43% lighter than its full-size counterpart, providing better access to tight workspaces and overhead applications. With the advanced 1 Plus HP technology, this rotary hammer can deliver up to 6,200 BPM, ensuring efficient performance. It features 2 modes, rotary hammer and drill, making it versatile for various tasks. The onboard LED work light enhances visibility, enabling you to work with precision. Experience the power and convenience of the RYOBI 18-volt 1 Plus HP Compact Brushless 5/8-inch SDS Plus Rotary Hammer for all your drilling needs. Introducing the RYOBI 40-volt HP Brushless 12-inch Snow Shovel Kit. Take charge this winter with the powerful RYOBI 40-volt HP Brushless Cordless Snow Shovel. With its 40-volt HP technology, it provides unmatched power to clear a 12-inch path, effortlessly tackling snow up to 6 inch deep. Throw snow up to 25 inch away, leaving a clear path behind. The compact and lightweight design ensures less fatigue while clearing sidewalks, driveways, and decks. With attachment capability, you can add RYOBI expanded attachments, saving time, money, and storage space. Use the 180 degrees lock and unlock coupler to attach other tools like the blower, edger, and pole saw. The 2-speed switch and variable speed trigger provide maximum control and power for efficient snow clearing. Introducing the RYOBI 80-volt HP 46-inch lithium electric riding lawn tractor, the first lithium-ion battery-powered riding lawn tractor from RYOBI. With 80-volt HP technology, this tractor combines brushless motors, advanced electronics, and lithium-ion batteries to deliver power equivalent to a 23-horsepower gas engine. Experience the same power without the need for gas, engine maintenance, and with significantly less noise. The tractor is equipped with 4 brushless motors and 3 80-volt 10-amp-hour batteries, allowing you to cut up to 2.5 acres per charge. Recharge the batteries fully in under 2.5 hours with the included hypercharger and onboard charging port. This versatile lawn tractor features front and rear storage compartments for convenient hauling of mulch, logs, plants, and other yard materials. With a towing capacity of 500 pounds and a universal 2-inch square hitch in the front and rear, you can easily tow with ease. The tractor boasts a 10-gauge heavy-duty fabricated steel deck and the cross-cut multi-blade system with 6 steel blades for superior cutting performance. Blade maintenance is quick with the ability to remove the deck in under 90 seconds. Stay informed with the full-color backlit LCD screen that displays runtime, battery level, and charge status, while the RYOBI Riding Mower app allows you to monitor your charge status from your phone.